Hey guys, Dr. Joseph Bogart here, I'm Parkland Chiropractor. Been practicing about 20 years now, and I want to discuss with you a little bit about why maintenance slash supportive care is really important for people. And what I mean by that is a lot of patients come in and they have a problem, and then they like to stay or leave, depending on how they're doing. Some people feel great and say, oh my God, I want to keep doing this because I never felt so good in my life. And other people say, wow, I feel so great. I'll call you if I ever need you. And I want to explain why I think it's really important for patients to understand, or people to understand, why ongoing chiropractic care can be very beneficial. It's not necessary. You hear people say, oh, once you go, you always got to go. Not true. You don't always have to go, but you'll probably want to. And the reason is your body's going to work better. It's going to function better. It's going to feel better. Most likely you'll sleep better. Your aches and pains will significantly be decreased, and your body's going to work at an optimal level. So the point is that your brain and nervous system control everything in your body, from your heart to your digestion to your reproductive organs, your legs, feet, toes, back, muscles, etc. And if there's interference or nerve irritation from a misalignment in one of those spinal bones where they meet and the nerves exit, your body's not going to work as well as it should. And over time, sometimes that develops into a symptom. So a lot of people say, well, I don't have any symptoms, why would I go to a chiropractor? It's kind of like saying, well, I don't have any cavities yet, why would I go to a dentist? Or I don't have any heart problems yet, why would I go get my blood checked or get my blood pressure checked? Because sometimes you can't always feel those issues, but later on they become an issue. And that's when people, yeah, I've had this neck issue, it's been going on for a few years. And we look at an x-ray and we can see amazing amounts of degeneration that have been going on probably for the last 10 or 20 years from an old injury, say a car accident or a fall or a sporting injury, something that they did. And they're going, wow, I'm starting to feel the pain now, and I didn't have the pain then. So it's really important to get checked. It's really important to stay under care and make sure your body's working right if you've been under care, so that those issues don't tend to come back. And people say, well, why would those issues come back if you did such a great job, Dr. Bogart? I mean, if you're a good chiropractor, how come you didn't fix me permanently? Well, great question. And the reason that ongoing care would be necessary is kind of like brushing your teeth. You know, you may go to the dentist, get the best dental workup, they fix all your cavities, your gum issues, whatever it is, and they go, well, do I have to go back? Do I have to brush my teeth? Yeah, the reality is you're going to keep eating food and it's going to keep causing issues in there. The things that cause misalignments in the body, or in the spine in particular, as well as the body, are three forms of stress. There's physical stress, chemical stress, and emotional stress. Three things that everyone experiences on an ongoing basis. Physical stress can be sitting in a chair at a desk for hours at a time, standing on your feet for hours at a time, bending, lifting, picking up children, getting them in and out of a car, exercising, too much exercise, not enough exercise, sleeping in funky positions, car accidents, falling down. Things like that are physical stresses. Then there's chemical stress. Chemical stress can be as simple as being dehydrated. I mean, if you're dehydrated and your body's not getting enough water, your blood can't flow as well, your muscles won't loosen up as much, and that can pull bones out of alignment. That's just water. Nevertheless, the terrible foods that we are exposed to between GMOs, pesticides, all the things that we're consuming on a regular basis, preservatives, food colorings, aspartame, things that just don't belong in the body, they're stress. Okay, even too much caffeine is a stress, too much sugar is a stress. So that can cause stress on your body and your nerve system. And then there's emotional stress, and that's the one that most people are most familiar with, which is, I'm stressed out about this, I got this going on, I'm angry about something, I'm frustrated about something, I'm nervous about something, I'm worried about something. Those are things that can cause muscles to get really tight and can pull bones out of alignment. So you can see that most people are under all three, but sometimes in different amounts. Like some people may have more physical stress, some people may have more emotional stress, some people may have more chemical stress. And those are people for different reasons that need to be checked and adjusted possibly by a chiropractor. So that's why we recommend that. So thank you for your time. I'm glad you listened to that. I hope you learned something really important today. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Get ready for some more videos. I'm sending these out, and the results are great. And if you have any particular questions that you would like to ask me, reply back or in the comment section and say, hey, what do you think about this? Or what about that? Or what's your opinion on this? And I'll be happy to either make a video or answer you privately about it. All right? I'll see you soon again. I'm Dr. Joseph Bogart in Parkland. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.